what exactly is whole body Arctic cryotherapy?
So whole body Arctic cryotherapy is a non-invasive cold therapy using gaseous nitrogen applied directly to the outer layer of the skin. It's been utilized in Japan and Europe for about 30 years for chronic pain management, reduced inflammatory conditions, as well as beauty and overall wellness treatments.
Wow, so just by standing in this tank for 3 minutes, I'm going to receive all these benefits?
Correct.
Just how cold is it?
It's going to be negative 220 degrees on average, but we have the ability to get it quite a bit colder if needed.
Wow, that is really cold. How does the body handle that?
So you'd actually be very amazed what the body's able to do if and when stimulated. What we do here is a 3-minute treatment. All it's doing is going to infiltrate the outer layer of the skin. What that does is communicate with our brain to create our own sympathetic nervous system reaction response. Our blood is being hyper-nourished and oxygenated, so when you step back out, you're sending all rejuvenated blood back out to the periphery rich in red blood cells and highly rejuvenated.
That is amazing. You must feel great after that. So is this sort of like the professional athletes when they sit in an ice bath?
Yeah, it's pretty similar, definitely comparable, but it's much more efficient and less invasive. A single 3-minute treatment here is going to replace roughly about 3 hours in an ice bath, which if you've ever been in one, you know it's impossible. Nobody can tolerate it for quite that long.
How about someone who's trying to improve their health that maybe isn't necessarily a professional athlete?
Certainly, well, there's a ton of benefits from just a general wellness standpoint. While you're in there, we're going to clear a lot of inflammatory response that would normally be coupled with chronic pain as well, so especially those with the chronic back pain, anything like that. It's very beneficial for your skin, increases capillary blood flow to help things like psoriasis, eczema, even things like acne and wrinkles, more on the aesthetic side of the business. Tons of benefits across the board.
Wow, so Arctic cryotherapy sounds like it touches all types of people, whether you're an athlete or you're somebody that suffers chronic pain, or whether you're just trying to help with your health and wellness.
Certainly, like you said, it's great for all different types of conditions, as well as it's going to help you burn about 400 to 800 calories more throughout the rest of the day. So.
I was just about to ask you that. So it actually burns calories standing in place?
Correct, about equivalent to roughly an hour worth of cardiovascular exercise, upwards of about 2 hours. So it's only a 3-minute treatment. You can get quite a bit of benefit out of it.
That's amazing. And so how many times a week do you recommend somebody to come in and do this?
So it kind of depends slightly. The general athlete, as well as those just coming in for wellness purposes like the skin benefits, we look for about 2 to 3 sessions per week. If you're in chronic pain or you have a recent injury, or the elite athlete who's constantly breaking your body down, more in the range of about 4 to 5 treatments per week.